Our community is peaceful, close-knit Muslim neighborhood where faith and family form the foundation of everyday life. The people are known for their kindness, respect, and strong sense of unity. Islam is deeply woven into our culture. Daily prayers, modest dress, and celebrations like Ramadan and Eid bring us together in both worship and joy. Whether it's helping a neighbor in need or coming together at the mosque, there's a strong spirit of togetherness, surrounded by clean streets and serene natural beauty. Our environment reflects the calm and harmony we strive for in our lives. I come from a humble and hardworking family. My father is Ronnie T. Andag. He is a farmer who works tirelessly to provide for us, while my mother, Shana T. Andag, is a loving housewife who takes care of our home and nurtures us with strong values. We are 4 siblings in total, including me, and we've always shared a close bond. Our standard of living is modest. We may not have much in terms of wealth, but we live with gratitude, unity, and faith which keep us strong and contented. I recently graduated from Dilangalan National High School, where I studied from grade 11 to grade 12. It's a public high school known for academic competitive atmosphere. The school had a diverse and supportive community that fostered both academic and personal growth. My course is Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I chose this course because of a deep desire to help others, especially to help our community. I enrolled at Southern Christian College because I believe it is a place where I can grow not only academically but also spiritually and morally. I was drawn to the school's values and its commitments to providing a quality education. The person who influenced me the most to enroll at SSC was my parents and also my teacher when I was grade 12. They encouraged me to study in a school that upholds good values and has a good reputation for producing well-rounded graduates. I believe SCC can provide me with the knowledge, skills, and characters I need to succeed in life. I expect to learn not just academic lessons, but also values like discipline, integrity, and faith that will guide me in my future. My goal in life is to finish my studies, have a stable and fulfilling career, and be in a position where I can support my family and help others in need. I will achieve my goal through hard work, dedication, and staying focused on my studies. I will also seek guidance from my mentors and rely on Allah to help me through challenges. Some possible hindrances I may face include financial problems, lack of motivation, distractions, and personal struggles. However, I am determined to overcome this by staying focused, praying for strength, and seeking support when needed. 10 to 15 years from now, I see myself as a successful professional, living a stable and meaningful life. I hope to be in a position where I can give back to my family and community and be a good example to others. This is the view and the beautiful municipal of our community, so I will show you first. If you go here in our community, you will first see our beautiful nature here in our community. So this is our municipal. here in Cadayangan. So beautiful and it's so very modest. So I'm going to show you the backyard of our municipal. Ta-da! So for today's video, we will go to the tourist spot here. Before that, I will show you the project of our mayor in our barangay. This is the what you call greenhouse.